Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am gonna be sharing with you some most amazing and stunning crochet baby frocks ideas. You will see toddler girls frocks ideas, and you will see 0 to 6 month and 1 year baby frock girls designing ideas also in this video. All of these designing ideas are having different types of color schemes used in them, and most of the designs are made with contrasting color schemes. Very attractive and gorgeous color schemes which are mostly suitable for babies are used in them, and you can see different types of yoke designs and sleeves designs in this video. Most of the frocks are sleeveless, and most of the designs are having different kinds of patterns and border edging designs on these frocks also, and you will see ribbon working on most of the designs also. So frock can be made with a more size of waist and can be concised with the help of ribbon used in it. And you can see different types of crochet patterns, mostly daisy stitch patterns of frocks in this video. Some of the designs are solid designs also. So if you are making frock for winter, you can just follow the pattern of solid designs like this one. And if you are making summer frock for your baby, you can make the design like this one, which is having hollow lace work of crochet with strawberry stitch in it. You can see this beautiful frock which is having a 4-layer short skirt style working in it, and this one is also very beautiful with simple design and beautiful border edging design. And this one is also having shoes with it. So if you want to make single frock, you can make simple frock like this one, and if you want to make it in set, you can make similar shoes or headband or cap with it also. If you are making frock for summer, you can make baby sandals and headband. If you are making for winter, you can easily make a hat or baby booties with it. So I hope you're gonna love these designing ideas, and if you love them, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then just consider subscribing to get more videos like this. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option also, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. Because if you are a crochet lover, other than these type of ideas videos, you will also find crochet tutorials here on this channel. Many of the baby frocks tutorial are already available on my channel. You can just check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.